Yeah, so this is an experiment, and I will need help from you. So who knows rock, paper, scissors? Please put your hands up. Okay, so almost, well, more than enough people. I need 10 volunteers to come up stage. I know it's super frightening to come up here. There are like these big lights and all of this, but I only need 1 minute of your time. What are we going to do? We're doing a code kata. We're going to do pair programming. I'm going to be the driver all the time, and I need every person to navigate me. So you are going to say how we're implementing rock, paper, scissors. Yeah, it's still scary probably, but so you only need to be here for 1 minute, and after that, you can go again. If I don't get any volunteers, then I'll just start pointing to people, of course. Eh? So I have already one, thank you. Yeah, come up, come up, come up. Yeah, please form a line. Yeah, you can form a line. Form a line over here, please. Yeah. Then you can.
I'm first. You're first.
Aye.
Oh,
That's the screen. Yeah.
oh, you're first.
You're first.
Okay. So I'll explain the rules again. Well, we have still 13 minutes, so if we have more than 10, that's also okay. If there are only 9, also good. Yeah, you can come up like when we're busy. We're going to start, okay? So I'm going to explain the rules to you if you don't know them anymore. Rock beats scissors. Scissor beats paper, paper beats rock. Yeah, simple enough. Other combinations result in a draw.
Yeah.
And we want to implement the 2-player game. The first player who wins 3 times wins the game. Okay?
Okay.
And the only other thing you need to know is we're going to do this in a test-driven development way. I'm going to do all the typing. You don't need to tell me syntax or anything. You just need to tell me what I need to implement on a high level.
Is it object-oriented or not?
You can choose, but you can only choose for 1 minute. After that, everyone else can turn it back, but I am going to focus on the test driven. So if you don't put a test first, I'm going to say, sorry, I need a test. Okay? Do you have any idea how to start?
Nope.
I do.
Okay, then switch places. Okay.
So are we going to start the clock?
We are going to start the clock at 12 exactly.
Okay.
Oh, you can take 3 minutes.
Okay, let's start off by defining some enumeration so we can define our rock, paper, and scissors, just to have a comfortable way of referring to it.
Like
an enum. I don't know if you can do that in
I
kata.
don't know.
Like
But something like
rock is 0.
Okay.
1, 2, 3,
okay.
something like that.
That's okay. 0, paper. Like this?
Yes, for example. And now let's define some kind of function which takes 2 parameters, which can be...
I need a test first, sorry.
Oh, test first. Well, then we can define a test where we put in the expected... We still need 2 parameters, right? And it's still a function, right? So we need 2 parameters to come in.
Okay.
Because
How
we
do
need
I
to
call
say...
the function?
Whatever you like. You're the programmer.
Okay.
I'm master-slave relationship. What can I say?
Okay.
I've got 5 seconds, so we need to define a function, and then we need to be able to say, like, if rock and paper, then
Yeah, sure. Thank you. So what were you doing?
Yeah, I have a foo and I have a test, but I don't know what I need to do right now.
Yeah, me neither. Makes 2 of us, right? Let's start by writing a test to validate the input we get. So I presume it's a CLI game.
Okay, yeah.
So we'll first need a test to make sure that the user used one of the 3 inputs, rock, paper, or scissors.
Okay, validate correct input. Is that okay for you?
Yeah, that works for me.
Okay. And what do I...
And we're testing the function that we're writing to get the input from the user. So the user inputs rock, for example, which is valid.
Okay, so, and I expect that to be true then, or
Yeah.
that
Rock should be a string then.
to be. Yeah, the minutes passed. Okay.
Great, thanks.
Yeah.
Let's rename foo to play, maybe?
Okay, play. That's already something. Yeah.
Okay, so play, rock. Pass in a second parameter to the tests.
Yes.
Play, rock, paper. I'm going to change it. We're not going to validate input, so you can
Okay.
change that to... sorry.
No, that's okay. That's okay.
Paper,
Oh,
change the
sorry.
test name to paper beats rock.
Paper beats rock.
Right, doesn't it? Expect play to be true, that's correct. Okay, you can go to your function
Is it
body.
true?
Yeah, to be true. Ooh, no. It should be the other way, false.
False. Okay.
Oh, man, I'm out of, yeah.
Okay.
And then in your function body, you can do whatever
I'm
Frank
going to
says.
do like this. False. We're done.
Yeah, you're done. So this is good.
Please. Yeah. So,
All right. So we're gonna add another test case.
okay.
That does paper rock does not beat paper. Or wait, is that no? It does beat paper, right? So
Paper beats
paper
rock.
no, wait.
Rock beats scissors.
All right. Does not, right? All right.
We can do rock beats scissors.
That's two. Yeah, I just want to get the inverse of the other,
okay,
other
okay.
one. So,
Okay, paper beats rock.
yeah, well, so it's rock does not beat paper, right? Because otherwise you get the same scenario,
Okay.
right? So we want to get the other type. So then paper is the first argument and rock is the
Okay.
second. And then I want this to be true. All right.
Yep.
Here you go. Good luck.
All right. Do you want to finish this first? I think I would like to focus on the output, so
Okay.
that we actually know what won. So
Okay.
to do so, we should add a test that's saying
I do want to
Oh, wait,
mention
maybe
that
we can-
our tests are currently red. So I'm not sure, do we want to first fix that? Or do I just delete the previous test? So that,
we can first fix the first like
Okay.
the test from previously.
okay. How do I fix it?
The second one does not work, right?
No, the
Because-
second one, yeah, I return false all the time, so I cannot.
Oh, all right. Now, there we go.
Yeah.
So we rock is 0, paper 1.
So I can, yeah, we go, yeah.
Let's fix test 2. Let's say scissors beats rocks.
But we still have
Oh.
a failing text. You can
Yeah,
fix
you want
this.
you want to fix that already.
Yeah.
Okay. Paper beats rock. So let's add an if condition.
Okay.
If paper A is paper, and
Okay.
B. Wait, I have to see if that's correct. And B is equal to rock.
Okay.
Then it should be. Wait,
True.
yes, true. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, rock, paper. Yeah, that should
Okay,
be
our
true.
tests are green now.
Yeah. Let's add another test. Yeah.
Next one. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to split this one up. If A equals paper,
Yes.
drop the and B equals
Okay,
rock. Then
okay.
do return B equals rock, question mark, true, colon false. So ternary in there.
Like this. B equals rock. True.
Oh, we can just return this. Yeah. Yeah, we can
Okay.
just return this. Yeah, it's true and false. Yeah, okay, all right.
Okay.
And then do the same for all other combinations.
Yeah. Okay.
So if A equals rock, just in your play function again, if A equals rock, then you return, which one wins from rock? Paper again, so return B equals paper.
Okay.
Yeah, and then do the same one for scissors, and then do refactor to switch statement.
Okay. Which one wins from scissors again, or rock? here?
Rock, yeah. So now you can add more tests for all the other conditions. Next one?
Yep. I have a failing test. I don't know why.
That's a good question.
This test fails rock and paper, and we return false.
Rock and paper, and we return false.
Yeah, why do we return false? In this case, we return every time we return true if the second parameter wins, but we want to return false if the second parameter.
Switch, yeah. Switch it.
So switch like this, switch, or
Yeah.
and do I do that everywhere, or
Make it generic.
make it generic? That's a bit too high level.
All right. Well, yeah. For instance, you can start off with making all of them.
Yeah, next one. Sorry.
Maybe just to get the test fix, just
Yeah.
switch the names of the A and B in the arguments.
Okay, that's okay. So you're saying, and I keep calling them A?
Sure, there. No, there.
Okay.
Well, okay, you can do it like that as well if you want. And then maybe add a test to check if
Okay.
They're still failing?
We still have a failure now. So this test still fails. So we have we have paper as A, so we get into this one, and now we return true.
oh my god, this is horrible.
So I think the previous thing did something better, because now we're still saying if the second argument is paper, we return. We still return true for the second player. We want to return, that's how it started. Yeah. Last one?
We still, yeah, I said we still. Okay, so I want you to go back to like making the B's A's, just like
Okay.
before. And then in the paper beats rock, I want you to pass paper first instead of rock.
Okay.
That should be it, no?
Yeah, okay.
If that's not it, I'm going to be very
But
upset.
then I need to make that one true, eh?
Yeah, because then you do want it to be.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
But,
Okay.
Yeah.
And now I do want you to write one more test for the input, actually.
Okay, go ahead.
So test validate input. And then I want you to make an array of all the constants.
Okay. Wait.
And just check that that the array contains A and that the array contains B.
Wait, validate input?
Oh, fuck.
Dude, time's up. Okay, thank you everyone. Big round of applause. No draws whatsoever. The code is on GitHub. If you want to see if you can do it in 10 minutes, I'm not going to publish what we have here. I think we can throw it away, but great effort of everyone. Thank you.